Don't forget, I still got dreams to hop the fence and up the trees while you're sleeping on me. I'm believing in the changes, and I'll be like a pantomime. I'll act it out for real this time while you're sleeping. Complacency. Don't take for granted any day you breathe. 10,000 hours doesn't work real well unless you mastered that shit for free. And every single day bury the past in dirt. Be well intentioned with your efforts and please keep your word. This life is a lease, don't put no money down, it is all temporary. It's true, the sky isn't gray yet. You can love it and hate it. Keep smiling and waving. And don't forget, you still got dreams to hop the fence and up the trees while they're sleeping on you. And you'll be like a pantomime. You'll act it out for real this time while they're sleeping on you. You're believing in the changes. Tell my mother I won't be home soon. Donate the clothes in the corner of the room. body was not your thing.
Come on, do me a favor.
You must admit that you love that. You know the worst thing about fakers is when they're crawling home begging. I don't think so. I must admit there was something in the way you looked at me. You were a mess and you know that. So take the blame, you were never mine. Well, that was it, we were trying to leave. Then the fact is you're not here. You were a mess and you know that. So take the blame, you were never mine. I don't think so.
It ain't gonna be easier.
I don't think so.
You should take it over, baby.
I don't think so. So take the blame. I must admit there was something in the way you looked at me. You were a mess and you know that. So take the blame, you were never mine.
Whoa.
just run away. And I know that you're ready for someone who can take it up. Let me take that pressure off your pay. I'll always be here at the end of the day. And if you can't remember, I'll be there to tell you that I'll be patient, babe. Even if I wanted to, I can't ignore you, can't ignore you. Take your time, don't waste it. I'll be waiting for you, right here for you. You're all I need and you know it. So baby, don't be scared to show it. Take your time, don't waste it. I'll be waiting for you, waiting for you.
Look, all of my wins going crazy. I gotta brag on myself, I amaze me. I know I'm got something that can phase me. I'm too dope like I'm back in the 80s. Okay, call me and I'm gon' slide. Pull up with me for a hell of a ride. You need a couple wins, they ain't doing it right. Hit up my line, we gon' turn up the night. I got a lot of wins on my dinner plate. Ain't coming down, gotta levitate. I know my next win is the best one, so I tell them that I'm on to the on to the
On to the next one. On to the next one. On to the next one. On to the next one.
Look, I don't take no loss, it's simple. I'm a stand-up guy, want 10 toes. Looking in the mirror, who better than me? Got their hands high, tell them that I'm out of their reach. I know I want a few M's, so I'm up, making it happen. To the neck laughing. Look, take a few L's, but now I'm way up. You should see they reaction. Whoa, got a lot of wins on my dinner plate. Ain't coming down, gotta levitate. I know my next win is the best one, so I tell them that I'm on to the on to the
On to the next one. 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 To the next one. Stop that. Stop that.
deep inside my mirror. I'm filling up rooms in your head, flying through it all like an arrow. I'm feeling like myself again. There was a part of you that couldn't let go. Needed remembering we're not on our own. I'll go where you go. Knocks on my window. Let's keep it simple. I'll go where you go. You got the light. You got the light. I'll go where you go. Knocks on my window. Let's keep it simple. I'll go where you go. I'll go where you go.